guys, thanks so much for tuning in to Candace Reese TV, where I talk about mom life, wife life, hairstylist, and makeup life. And today we're going to talk about, well, we're not going to talk, I'm just going to show you how I bleached or lightened my hair on my own, which I would not advise this if you are not a licensed professional. It could have been a total disaster. Only it turned out pretty good. Anywho, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so let me start off by showing you the products that I did have on hand that I was able to use. And these are some awesome products by Schwarzkopf. Check them out if you're a licensed professional. So like I said, I didn't even check to see if I had everything I needed to get started. I didn't have any gloves. What the world was I thinking? Anyway, so I had to use these processing caps. Don't judge me. It got the job done until I tried to blind myself. Alright, now that that's all out the way, here I am just trying to pre-lighten my hair and get a little bit more lift because it's not light enough for me to even attempt to even have silver hair. But yeah, I didn't have anyone there to help me, and this is a struggle. I didn't know if I was putting it on my scalp, my roots, the hair, the back was just totally questionable. But like I said, it's my hair. I kind of know my limits. I wasn't really worried. I just know this probably would have been so much better and so much easier if I just would have been patient and got one of my hairstylist friends to kind of help me out. Like I mentioned before, I was far from patient when it came to me doing my hair. So I don't even know how long I let it stay on. All I know is I wasn't trying to die, and I decided I wanted to go ahead and rinse it off. I had other things to do and places to be. So I did get a little lift, and it's more yellow, not so much orangey anymore. And I'm sure later in life I will lighten it again just to see if I can lift it a little bit more, because it still felt really good, and I think that's due to me using the bonding cream. So then I had to trim it on my own, guys. Like, that's no fun. My hair is super thick. I really needed some help on this because I just was not in the mood. So I did a little bit here, a little bit there, and then later on I got my friend Kara to trim it up for me. But yeah, epic fail number 500. So I decided to dye it with the Joy Code Titanium, the semi-permanent color. And later on I decided I probably should have diluted it with a little bit of clear. But like I said, I was totally not prepared. I didn't even have enough color to go on my full head of thick hair. So I got a little nervous towards the back. But my friend Ray walks in, makeup artist, and she was just so cute. I didn't even want her to try to help me, so I just went on, I thugged it out, tried to finish up with what I had. I'm really pinching for color here, guys, because my hair soaks it up, and I knew I had to at least get it completely over my head. Anyways, I ended up with this steel blue hair, which it worked. It still works. I'll rock it for now, but it is not what I was going for, so I'll try again later. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Love you. Bye.